Hello everyone. We're going to solve this question which says that you have 3 points 7, 12, minus 3, minus 12 and 4, 14, minus 5, and you have to show that these points lies on the circle with the center at 2 and 0, which means the distance of this point to this center of the circle, this point to the center of the circle, and this point to the circle of the circle should be the same if they lie on the circle with this center. So let's find out the distance between this point and this point. So let's call this distance 1, that is the distance between this point and the center of the circle. So the formula says that x2 minus x1, here x2 is 2 minus and x1 is 7 whole square, plus then we have y2 is 0 minus y1 is 12 whole square. We can see that 5 minus 7 gives you minus 5 whole square, and that is minus 12 whole square, which the minus 5 square is 25 and the 12 square is 144, which is 169, and the distance 1 you can call it is 13 because the square root of 169 is 13. Now if we find out the distance 2, which is this distance between the second point and the center of the circle, this is our second point, this is our first point, so you can say that 2 is x2 minus x1 here is minus 3, so minus into minus 3 whole square, and then y2 is 0 minus, and this was y1 is minus 12, so minus 12 whole square, that is 2, the minus minus becomes plus, and that is minus minus plus 12 whole square. So if you add 2 plus 3, it gives us 5 whole square. This gives us 12 whole square, which you can just straight away write it down by 144. The square of 5 is 25 plus 144. So d2 is then 169, which is 13. So these 2 points lie on the circle. Now you look for the third one. So if we call this d3 and call this a second point, this is the first one, then x2, which is 2 minus x1, which is 14 whole square, then y2 is 0 minus y1 is minus 5 whole square. So you can see that for 2 minus 14 gives you minus 12 whole square, and the minus minus gives you a plus 5 whole square. So this is 144 plus 25, which is 169 square root, and the third is also 13. So you can see that the distance between this point to the center of the circle, this point to the center of the circle, and this point to the center of the circle is the same. So if you look at the circle, and if that is the center of the circle, then from this point, if you take any point on the center on the circle, it will have the same distance, which is called radius. So it means all these points have the same distance, 13. So they lie on the center of, they lie on the circle. Thank you.